Conquest of Usman, or we can call it as Uthman, AD 644 to 656. After Omar's assassination, a six-member committee chose Usman as a caliph. Usman attempted to retain the unity of the kingdom by appointing members of his own client. Usman's enemies chose him as a nepotism. He was considered as a nepotism because Usman tried to increase income for the Divan, that is pensioner, by continuing to push the borders of the empire further to north and east. But the booty obtained from the war was not enough to maintain the Divan. To add to his difficulties, with the increase in the number of soldiers and Usman adding his governors and family members to the list of pensioners, forced him to reduce the salaries of the soldiers. This naturally created more discontent among his opponents. Thirdly, Usman was accused of religious innovations. He authorized unofficial versions of the Quran and had all other copies of the book burnt. As the Quran had a great influence over the masses, Usman's actions helped to assert the supremacy of the caliphate in religious matters and promote the unifications of the empire. Usman was murdered. His murder marks the end of one phase of the formations of the Arab state and empire. Throughout this period, Medina remained the capital. After Abu Bakr, Umar and Usman built a vast empire. The vast empire needed an infrastructure. The process of developing a systematic structure was taken to a logical end under Umar. A civil war broke out in the Arab Empire over the question of successions after Usman. Ali had joined hands with the rebels from Egypt and they proclaimed him as a caliph. This was not acceptable to the Umayyads. Aisha, the widow of the Prophet Muhammad, also opposed Ali. Ali shifted his capital from Medina to Kufa in Iraq. Except Syria, all the other regions had recognized Ali as the caliph. The Umayyads and the centralization of polity. The Umayyads Caliphate were different from other of the four first caliphs. Umayyads dynasty produced many important caliphs. They began the process of transforming the caliphate into a monarchy which was based on dynastic principle. Between 611 AD to 750 AD, all caliphs were from the Umayyads clan. The Umayyads caliphs projected themselves a religious leader. The Umayyad state was now an imperial power. Their state was not based on Islam. Muslim tradition tells that the Umayyads idolized the first four caliphs, that is, Abu Bakr, Omar, Usman, and Ali, calling them the righteous caliphs. They are considered to be the only caliphs who preserved the true tradition of Prophet Muhammad. Muawiyah was the de facto ruler of Syria. The rise of Muawiyah to power marks the beginning of the departure from the persistent set by first four caliphs, called pioneers caliphs. Thus, Muslim community came to be divided. One group hold Ali as the legitimate successor. This group is called Shia, or the party of Ali. The followers of this sect are called Shiites. Another group is known as Kharijis or successionists. They had sided from both Ali and Muawiyah. Ali was murdered by Khariji in 661 AD and Muawiyah declared himself as the caliph. He established monarchical rule based on dynamic principle. Muawiyah and his successor. Muawiyah brought a great change in the status of caliph. He declared that he was the first Umayyad king of Islam and the commander of the faithfuls. He changed the seat of Khalifa from Medina to Damascus under the leadership of Muawiyah and his successors. The Muslim conquered distant land in North Africa like Tunis and Morocco and spread Islam there. The Arabs failed to take Constantinople after a full year siege in AD 717 to 18. Despite some setbacks, the fact remains that what had started out as a simple desert region had gone over a century into a great Eurasian empire. By AD 750, Islam ruled over vast territories stretching from the Pyrenees in Europe, Sid in India, and from Morocco to the founders of China. The Umayyads were essentially Arabic in their outlook. Their governors and generals were Arabs. They built up a big Islamic empire, but in the second quarter of the 8th century, the power of Umayyads declined. The last Umayyad caliph was defeated and killed by Abu Muslims in AD 750. The Umayyads were thus replaced by the Abbasids. The Abbasid Revolution. The Abbasids AD 750 to 1517. Umayyads' rule came to an end in 749 to 50. So Abbasid leader Abdul Abbas al-Safa was declared the new caliph. The caliph shifted the center of political power from Syria to southern Iraq. The caliphate became even more of an absolute monarchy. The Abbasids were absolute monarchs. They regarded themselves as the leader of the Muslim community, but their power was based on force. The Abbasids came to power on account of Shiite movement which had transferred its loyalty to Muhammad bin Ali, the great-grandson of Prophet Muhammad's uncle Abbas. Intensive propaganda began around AD 718 in Iraq and Khorasan. Khorasan is in eastern Iran. Muhammad bin Ali was succeeded by his son Ibrahim. He decided to concentrate his efforts on Khorasan in AD 745. He sent Abu Salim as his personal representative to Khorasan. Abu Salim was able to create a solid base of support for himself. He died in AD 748 after his capture by the Umayyads, but the Abbasid forces continued their advance towards west. In AD 749, they reached Iraq and declared Ibrahim brothers Abdul Abbas al-Safa. The last Umayyad caliph was killed in AD 750.